Hey guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today we're going to have for you a 2018 Bobcat S770 M Series loader. This is going to be a cab, heat, air, high flow, 2-speed machine, 7-pin attachment control device, power quick attach. It is standard controls. It has keyless dash in it. It's going to have AM FM radio. Very nice, very clean machine. Cab paint's all original. All the white paint is original. The rear door is original. The only thing we did is we did paint the bottom gray. It was just faded a little bit, but an extremely nice, clean, straight machine compared to some of the stuff on the market. OEM Bobcat heavy-duty 12-16.5 rubber, approximately 95%. They're beautiful. Very nice machine, very straight. We've serviced this machine, been completely through it. Everything works. We're going to walk you around it. It is bitter cold here today. It's in the 20s. Yesterday was in the 40s. Just weather here is fluctuating crazy in Pennsylvania. But here we are today making a video. Back door we chose to leave original just because it was that nice. Back grill, everything there is original. Very straight, very clean. One little paint loss area right there. This unit has no rust on it. Wasn't in the salt. Back inside door is very clean. It's going to be powered by the Bobcat D34 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This unit's 92 horsepower. We have been through, obviously, MSC. You guys that follow our videos, that knows that stands for Mark Supply Company. We've done engine oil, fuel, hydraulic, air. Everything has been changed. Charge fan filter, hydraulic cartridge filter up here. Cabin filters are brand new. None of the hose holder brackets up here are busted. Does have a beacon light installed on the top. It had the power option for that. Just a very, very nice, well-equipped machine. The big thing with this machine, this is the big wheeled machine compared to like even an S850, which is an X size up. Not as common. The 770 is a very, very nice size machine. This and a T770 share the same chassis. This is just a wheeled version. Ben showing you here, you can see how nice all the bolt heads. That's all the original finish on them. Very straight again. No leaks on any of the lift cylinders, tilt cylinders, anything of that nature whatsoever. Up front, OEM Bobcat 74-inch severe duty bucket because it has the cast backing on it. Holes are on it for a bolt on if you want to put a bolt on edge on it. Standard 1/2-inch couplings up here with your 3/8 K-strain and 7-pin attachment control device. And you will see it is a high-flow machine. You got your power quick attach here. Door is complete. Wiper, washer, everything is there and complete and works. Door latch is complete. All the glass in the cab is complete. Suspension seat. And I'm just going to show you here. I seen this and it was not worth replacing. There's one little nick in that seat, and that is it. Hopping in the cab. We're going to hop in here a minute. I don't own the rights to the music. The radio works, but I'm going to go ahead and shut that off. Okay. Here's going to be your TAC, your main screen. Here's different things you can do. No active codes. There is all your parameters as far as your pressures, temperatures, and whatnot. 2134 on the hours. TAC, volts. Service clock's off, no error codes, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, all that works. Cab, heat, air, all works. This unit has auto level option. It has the beacon light option. Over here, another big thing, it has the hydraulic reversing fan. You'll hear it there in a second, kick in and go. You got your throttle knob, you got your AM FM radio. You're going to have here, I'm going to show you guys, this is a 2-speed machine. Always make sure when you're looking at a machine that 2-speed light comes on. Another little thing I want everybody to understand, that's standard flow. When I push that twice, it's going to come up and say high flow. We have customers that call us that, people out there have sold them a high flow machine because it had a decal on it and didn't check it in the dash. All the vents are in the cab, including the little defroster vents. Everything there is complete. No rust on any of our pedals. Okay. 3,350 pound of safe lift on this machine. Go ahead, shut that back off. Guys, we do go through our stuff here. We do service, and I mean we do go through our stuff. A lot of guys are buying stuff at auction sales. I don't buy any auction sale stuff whatsoever. We have a lot of guys that just, they buy it, flip it right back on the internet, try to sell it. We get through our stuff. You know, we are using OEM Bobcat filters, oils, different things like that. We're putting a OEM Bobcat bucket on. This thing has a beautiful bucket on it. There is a difference. There really is in what we do. A lot of people don't think that way because they, you know, obviously thinking with their checkbook, but they're going to spend that money somewhere along the line that I've already went through and done on this machine. So we're going to fire it up now. I'm going to run it around, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So guys, all the lights work. I'm going to go ahead. We're going to lift her up here. These machines are a workhorse. They're an animal of a skid loader. If you need a big lift machine, the thing has a heck of a heater in it. Very big lift machine. We sell a lot of these up in the granite stone area of northern Pennsylvania. A lot of guys up there have these machines because they need big lift machines, and that's what this is. But snow season is here and amongst us. There's guys out there right now actively looking for wheeled skid loaders for snow plowing. I think this week we've sold 3 machines. Thank all of our customers who have bought from us. And it is brutal cold here today. I wanted to get a video in. 2-speed travel's right there. We'll go ahead and back up and we'll show you 2-speed travel reverse. The boom in this machine is very good and tight. It is very clean. This unit came out of a asphalt company where they were running a road grinder. That's part of the reason this machine is so clean, was their work is seasonal. So come the off season, they're not involved in anything, and this thing was, you know, setting in a building. So that's the kind of stuff I like to buy. I like stuff like this where it is, for me, a no-brainer. It's something for us to service, go through. The specs on the machine are right to fit in a lot of applications for many different guys. So that's what's the story there. Again, it does have that reversing fan option, which is nice. If you're running in a dusty environment where you want to blow out the radiator, but you don't have that option, you don't have a service truck there, you don't have access to air or a pressure washer to rinse down through, you can flip your hydraulic reversing fan, and what it's going to do, instead of pulling your air down through, it's just going to blow it up through and loosen up any foreign debris that you may have acquired during that time period of running that machine in the process that you could be doing. So, again, 2-speed travel. Man, does this thing have a heater in it. Woo! So, again, 92 horse machine. We're going to lift, safe lift 3350. And I'm wanting to say the tip on this machine something like 6,800 pound or something. I will have that in my listing. I know on the standard flow, I do believe we are right at 23 GPM. High flow on this machine, I believe, is 38 GPM because you're sharing the same auxiliary circuit there, basically, that a T770 would be. Again, same pumps, same style hydrostat, one's wheeled, one's tracked. So a lot of people don't realize that. So one thing I'm going to do here right now, I'll go ahead and I'm going to show you the auto level. Beacon light's on. Now, here is your auto level feature. So you're going to see that that bucket is leveling itself as I'm lifting up. Nice if you're loading trucks. You know, you don't have to constantly be adjusting your pedals. I'm going to go ahead here, unhook. Bobcat still to this day uses true hydraulic power quick attach. There it is. They use an actual power hydraulic cylinder, which is nice. It works off charge pressure. Something else I'm going to do, because this is a 2-speed machine, I'm going to go ahead and I've locked the parking brake on. So in this machine, it's not sharing what's called a wedge lock style brake system. This actually has a hydraulic parking brake that's in the drive motors. So when you get into a 2-speed machine like that, you always want to double check that the parking brake works. There again, I'm a young guy, I got a lot of knowledge in this product. It's because I grew up in the shop wrenching on this kind of stuff. I've taken over from my father, so it's allowed me to take my mechanical experience and put it into a sales aspect. And I'll be that first guy, you call me like, hey, I'm looking at this machine, this is the application. I'll be that guy to tell you that ain't gonna work. A lot of people aren't gonna tell you that. They wanna get your money and they're on to the next guy. I've lost a lot of business over the years by telling people I'm sorry, but I can't sell you that machine, it don't work for your application. So I just, in my honest opinion, I think it's better business. For us anyhow, we don't have those phone calls. So again, guys, here is a very, very nice big frame machine, 2134 hours, beacon light packages on an auto level, hydraulic reversing fan, keyless dash, cab heat air, high flow hydraulics, 7-pin attachment control device, OEM 74-inch heavy duty bucket, guys, OEM Bobcat 12/16/5 rubber. Very nice machine, is 100% serviced and ready to go to work. Guys, if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. If you need a freight quote, let us know. I'll gladly get you one. Just give us a call, shoot us an email, we'll get you a quote. We got a machine leaving, Ben just sold today, going to Texas. So I mean, don't think that it's unaffordable. Let us get you a quote. I'll gladly see what we can do to help you out. But you got any question on this loader, please let us know. Understand, this is not a painted pig. This is not something that somebody's taken a brush or a roller or a can of Bobcat spray paint or Rust-Oleum and touched the white up. The white's all original, the cab's all original. Like I said, we painted that bottom gray, we sanded it, primed it, painted it the way it should be. The wheels are original. It is just a very nice straight machine, and the machine does represent and speak for itself. But yet, we'll still have that guy call with that question. Does it really look the way it does in the photos? Fellas, I don't know how to do any better job than we do. So, again, we really appreciate you checking us out. Merry Christmas to everybody out there in the Equipment World family. Hope everybody has a great holiday. If you have any questions for us, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.